Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm just out in the veg garden and I'm going to be repotting some trees. So I thought you might want to join me today. I'll show you how I do this. But these are Chinese Red Birch, grown from seed. These are about 3 or 4 months old now, and there's 9 in here, so they really need to be repotted because they're starting to suffer. I'm going to be putting them in these 3 litre pots. I'm going to put 3 in each pot, so I've got 3 pots here. So if you're interested, you'd like to join me today, we'll make a start and we'll get these repotted. Okay guys, so like I said, we're going to repot these Chinese Red Birch today, and I've got some soil here. This is just peat-free compost mixed with ordinary clay garden soil. I'm going to be putting 3 in each of these bigger pots, so I've got 9 little trees here. So I just want to show you another one. This is a Chinese Red Birch as well. This one's about 6 months older than these, maybe a bit less, but so this one's almost a year. I topped it a little while ago to encourage more shorter bushy tree rather than letting it grow. So that's my personal choice, so you can let them grow however you like. But all I've got to do is fill up each of these pots and then we'll start separating the trees. Okay, so I've filled up these pots. I've just filled them all the way up to the top, but I haven't pressed them down yet. All I'm going to do is take these trees, put your fingers in between them, tip it upside down, give the pot a squeeze, and it should come out quite easily. And then it's just a case of working each one loose. You don't have to be overly gentle, they'll be fine, as long as they've still got some roots on them. Okay, so there's one. So I'm going to put 3 in each pot. Okay, so there's them 3 for that one. Okay, so just try and gently ease the roots apart, but as long as they've got a bit of root on each one, they'll be fine. They're very hardy, these birches. Worst case scenario is a couple of them might die, but see, that one's not got much, but there is some, so it should be fine. And that one, again, not much on it, but sure it'll be fine. So I'll just show you the first one. So I'll just move the camera. Hoping you can see what I'm doing, not making too much shadows. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make a nice big hole for the roots to go in. Drop the root ball in the hole and then firm down the compost around it. So just use your finger or a stick whatever really, and just bury them down. You can bury them a bit deeper, as long as from where the root goes to down there, as long as all that's buried, you'll be fine. And then you want to keep these really well watered for the next few days or so, till the roots can re-establish. And that's all there is to it. So I'll get the rest done and then I'll go back to you. Okay, so these are all repotted now, so they already look better in these pots, much more room for them to grow. They should be alright in here for about another year, I'd say. They do grow quite fast, but they also don't require much space, so they'll be fine in these pots for about a year, I'd say. So I'm just going to take them over there, and I need to get some more water for them, so I'll be back in a second. So I'll just put them there with the rest of the trees, and we'll leave them be now. I'll just go get some more water. We'll give them another quick water, and then we're done. Okay, so one last water for these. We'll give them a good old drink, and then I'll water these every day. Don't let them dry out, because after transplant we damaged quite a few roots, so they'll need time to grow some more roots. So I'm going to keep them nice and wet for a few days, and then they should be fine. Just give that one a water as well, it's looking a bit dry. I'll just quickly show you a few of my other trees that I've got here. A lot of these are grown from seed or cuttings. There's all sorts of different types. We've got birches, we've got Japanese maples, a lot of these grown from seed as well. Yeah, all sorts, hazel over there, hawthorn, these are silk trees here, seed grown as well. That's a little pine which I pulled up from somewhere. There's a chestnut there, sweet chestnut. Grew that from chestnut which we had for Christmas last year. It was the only one that sprouted out of about 10. So we've got boxwood, and that's an apple tree there from seed. Not looking too healthy, but lots of other birch growing from seed. These are silver birch, I think. No, these are silver birch. These are red birch. And plenty of other trees over there, which I will show you all of these in another video. I'll do a full tree update. Anyway guys, that's it for today. So we got these 9 red birches repotted, and we'll keep an eye on them and see how they do. Okay everyone, thanks a lot for watching. So today we repotted these red birches, as I've said about 20 times now probably. Anyway, hope you didn't find this video too boring, hope you enjoyed it. Any questions on any of my trees or anything, just drop a comment below, and don't forget to like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, feel free to dislike it. It's an interaction, so it's all the same to me. And don't forget to subscribe if you did find this video useful. Thanks a lot guys, I'll see you on the next one. Have a great week.